Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a quick under 4 minute tutorial on how to get an agent going very fast. And all we need to do this is N8N, which is an automation popular tool for no code, and DeepSeek, which is one of the most powerful AI frontier models. Yeah, so let me get you guys started on this. So a little bit about DeepSeek. DeepSeek is let me just get you guys. Okay, DeepSeek is one of the companies that has come out of China from one of their AI labs. I believe it's by Tencent. But what makes this model really great is it competes in all of the largest frontier models. So it outperforms Claude and GPT-4 and a lot of the ones. And it's a mixture of experts model, and it's a pretty large model at 671 billion parameters, but it runs really well on API form. It does really well in some of the coding tasks, such as the one by Aider. It does really well in math. You can see it outperforms a lot of them, and it's also really good at the human eval. And all these are really good for coding. It's good for reasoning, and it's good for overall agentic workload. So off that bat, what makes this model really good is in this chart right here. So you can see right here on the bottom, we have on the X we have a cost per million tokens, and on the left we have a performance. So as you can see, GPT-4 and Claude are right here, so they're one of the best performing, but they're also one of some of the most expensive, where DeepSeek is, beating Claude or performing really well with it, but at a fraction of the price. And they're saying it's it's 50 times cheaper than Claude, which is really great. One of the reasons this allows us to run agentic workflows up to $2 a day, they're saying, which is really insane if you think about it, when the minimum wage is about $16 an hour in the Western world. So for $2 you're gonna get 24/7 agent. Is very nice. Anyway, so to get N8N working, so N8N is a very powerful model used by a lot of the big companies to create logic flows, and fundamentally an agent is really a workflow. So that's the best way to look at it. So to do that, you can do it in multiple ways. I'll leave that into another tutorial for you guys to get started. I used Docker to run it just by running these simple commands. You just type these commands into here and it automatically pulls up, and you will get it going. And then once you have going, you will run into this. So the best way to get the agent going is to let me just show you guys a new one just quickly how to do it. Workflow. Okay, anyway, so what we want to do is you go here and you go to AI, and then you have an AI agent, and you go here and you want to click conversational agent to get going. That's the first way, and once you do that, you're gonna get hit by this. And after that, what you want to do is open up the OpenAI AI chat model, and then you want to create your own new credential. When you get a credential, you have to put in your key. So what happens then is you need to go to DeepSeek, and you need to go to DeepSeek API. Right here, and DeepSeek. It should be. Let's go to the platform. Sorry guys, this is where you go. You go to the platform and you want to top up your thing. I added $2, just the smallest one to get going, and what you want to do is get an API key right here. So I already had one set, but what you want to do is create a new one. You put a name on it like test, and then once you create it, you want to copy this. I have already done it, so I'm not going to use this one. Remember you copy it, because you'll not be able to see it again. So once you copy it, you also need to go and actually go back to the link that we had before, which is which shows you the API guide, where you want to first, yeah, you want to make sure you also get this one. So you go back to your thing, you put in your API key right here, you paste it, and then in the base URL you want to copy this and put it there. Once you've done that, you save it. Make sure you guys go here instead and go to expression and type in DeepSeek-chat. Once you do that, you're ready to go. You want to go back out and you'll get something like this, and you want to click here, and you can then ask it to say, hi, how do I thank my new YouTube subscribe? Boom, you do that. It's gonna call the API right here. You can see it's all executed fine. And let me show you guys what it's saying. You go here, the final answer is to thank your YouTube subscribers. You can create a thank you video, mention them in your videos, or you use YouTube community. Additionally, engaging by responding to comments and creating content that you enjoy, and great way, it's a great way to show your appreciation. Sorry guys, I butchered that, but it's my first time. But yeah, this is essentially how you get it going, and from here you can add more complexity in. You can also add memory here, window buffer that will create a buffer using your local memory, but you can also use Supabase or other more scalable things. And then eventually we'll also show you guys how to add tool agents, but that is pretty much how you get DeepSeek and N8N going all under 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much. Please like, share, and put on notification, because we're going to be doing more videos like this. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys very soon.